when somebody asks you this question, can you please tell me about yourself? They are actually not interested in information about you. What they are interested in is how relevant are you for their organization. Let me give you two different answers so that you can understand it clearly. Let's say if you have gone for a technical interview for a, let's assume it's a screening interview, the first round, and somebody calls you that, okay, this is a role for a Salesforce developer in Pune or some organization. They ask you, okay, Sudhanshu, if you can just tell me something about yourself. So instead of me saying, hi, this is Sudhanshu Jain, I graduated in 2006 from XYZ College of Engineering in Computer Science. My favorite subject is operating system. And when I graduated, I passed out in honors. I'm from this city called Jabalpur, and I have 4 members in my family. My hobby is playing cricket, and I also love public speaking. And I came into Salesforce about 21 years ago, and that's all about myself. If you focus on this thing, you'll understand that most of the things which I said is not even relevant to the job role. Getting my point? Let's take it to a different level. If I have gone through the job description correctly, if I can give you a brief idea about a job description for that particular role, they are expecting me to know LWC, they are expecting me to know integration APIs, they are expecting me to know some projects, some hands-on thing, and they expect me to be certified as well. So I'll start my introduction something like this. Hi, this is Danshu. I am a certified Salesforce developer. I have done my PD1 certification, admin certification, app builder certification, and CPQ certification in last 2 years. And my next goal is to become a certified Agentforce AI expert. My core interest in Salesforce came when I started my journey 21 years ago, and since then I've been working on various projects. In last 1 year, I've been primarily working on the agentic AI part of Salesforce, where not only with the agentic AI part, I spent a lot of time by creating and debugging LWC components. I was part of the front-end infrastructure. Along with that, I was primarily working with the REST API of my project. And I lead a team of 4 people. That's my goal, and I'm responsible for delivering 2 modules every month. We have a fortnight-based delivery system, and we follow Agile Scrum. And my day-to-day job in my current job role is development and delivery, managing the QA, and helping my team along with active development. And sometimes I love to coach as well. And my core area of interest, and you can see the strong areas in Salesforce, is LWC, integration APIs, and Agentforce. And in future, I want to become a Salesforce architect. Got the point? So whenever you are preparing for a technical interview or a screening call, this is going to be the first question. Always answer on the basis of the job description, right? And this answer will be changing based on every interview. So always make sure that whenever you are going for an interview, be prepared with the job description, plan your answer according to that. Instead of talking about your family members, your city, your college, your grades, always talk about the hands-on things, the core area of expertise, what kind of value you can add for that particular role, how you can become relevant to that particular role. That is very important. Okay, so prepare your questions, prepare your answers accordingly.